In front of me is Cat B35, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by going into menu and accessing gallery section. Now to select multiple photos, click on options, pick select multiple, and then click all on the left. Now to keep some of those photos, pick the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, select options again and hit delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!